my gosh, it's Thursday, right? We need the Thursday hat. Today is the New York hat. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, crypto billionaires and crypto millionaires, the Lambo guys, everybody. Good morning, good evening. This is FXPassion broadcasting you live on. Where are we? We are on the crypto portfolio on YouTube, right? Hello, Miguel. How are you? And this is FXPassion Lazy Crypto Portfolio, called also Crypto Thursday with FXPassion. Risk disclaimer, everybody. The webinars are not investment or trading advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. Don't invest or trade money that you cannot afford to lose. Crypto assets carry a high degree of risk and are not suitable for all investors and traders. Always do your own homework before you act. I'm not a professional on cryptos, but I am a technical trader and portfolio manager. And in my opinion, the crypto market is going to produce millionaires and billionaires and the Lambo yacht guys in the next 3 to 5 years, again in my opinion, right? But the market is falling right now. This is good news, everybody. Yeah, we're going to talk about, just give me a second, every first week of the month we are showing you the portfolio results. Well, we are showing you this every week. And I'm having a lazy portfolio course every 3 months, everybody. So the last one this year is going to be 28th of November, okay? No courses, lazy portfolio until next year. We're going to go on vacation. So if you want to take advantage of the Black Friday promotion, just connect on Skype, Education FXPassion, or send me an email, everybody. And you can connect to and subscribe to the crypto channel, if you want to not lose the sessions. It's called Crypto Millionaire / Crypto Portfolio. Okay? Now, who in here is happy, everybody, about talking about the cryptos, right? Who in here is happy right now? Are you happy? Everybody, are you happy or are you sad because of what is happening right now? This is the portfolio. This is the portfolio, everybody. Just give me a second. This is the portfolio. Passion, are you happy? Yes, I am. But the portfolio, right? And everybody, it looks like if it looks like that I'm drunk, I was in the swimming pool, okay? So no, I'm not drunk, or somebody punched you in the face, Okay, everybody. So this is the portfolio. In the last 24 hours, the portfolio was 8,500 and now it's at 8,000. And all time we started with the 1,000, right? And sure enough, we were up. We went to 950, okay? And we are right now, during this crypto portfolio, we are at 8,000, okay? Now, here is the Lambo question. Should you be happy or should you be sad? What's the answer? Let's make a poll. Who in here is sad, right? Oh my gosh, I just bought Bitcoin and it's falling down. I just invested in Polygon, Matic, Solana, make sense? Who in here is happy? Nobody's happy. Who in here is sad, right? This is a Lambo question. Okay, everybody. And we talked about in the previous Crypto Thursday, I believe, the difference in the mindset. Okay? If you are sad, I can give a suggestion. Start listen to my philosophy, and start to invest for the next 3 to 5 years. Okay? If your crypto investments, if you're crypto trading, for God's sakes, don't do this, in my opinion. But if you are going to start to invest in the long run, this would not bother you, and portfolio management wise, those, this is good. We want to see this. Make sense, everybody? So here, we were with 1,000 and we went to the 2,500 and we dropped to 1.7, 250 to 1.7. This was good. And then we went up to 4 and it dropped to 300. This was good news again. And then it went up to 8 and it dropped to 8,000. Okay, but now this is, we want this. Hello MHB, how are you? Okay, everybody, it's a different mentality. Make sense? And if you are not doing good, and if you are afraid, and if you are whatever, you lost money, number one, stop trading cryptos, I'm telling you. Number two, stop timing cryptos. Okay? Oh, you want to buy at the bottom and sell at the top. Invest in the long run for the next 3 to 5 years. And you won't bother here. Make sense? Oh, but your portfolio is losing. Well, not as much as... Where is Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin. We talked about this before. Texas. Bitcoin weekly chart. Come on. So Bitcoin is here, right? And Bitcoin, it went from 68 something, right? And right now it's 59. So it lost what, 13-14%, right? 13-14%. And the portfolio, now it was 9 and now it's at 8. Yeah, okay, more or less, right? Agreed? But from before, because we don't know, right? But everybody, I showed you this in the previous sessions, okay? Is when Bitcoin dropped from 64. So Bitcoin dropped roughly 50%. The portfolio drew down to like what, 3%, 2%, and it went up. Okay? No, please, everybody, don't get me, please don't. I'm not here to be arrogant, that I know everything, because I don't. But this is the difference in the mentality of in between of the portfolio manager and the Bitcoin guy or the crypto guy who is trading cryptos. Make sense? We are happy and we are excited, and because we want to see this, but how is this possible? It's a different mentality. Make sense? Now, if you want to learn the different mentality, send me a Skype or an email, oh, I want to do the course, everybody. Okay? We are going to have the last course next 28th. Sunday. It's going to be Sunday 28. In 2 weeks we have the last course for this year about the cryptos. And moving forward, lawmakers, so 10 hours ago, lawmakers push back on crypto provisions in infrastructure bill. Okay, so this news is bad for the cryptos, everybody. Talking about the systemic risk. The latest proposal from a group of House Democrats seek to change how updates to the tax code affects the crypto entities who do not engage in brokerage services. Lawmakers from both sides of the aisle are fighting back against changes to tax reporting rules for crypto brokers. Remember, everybody, if you are in the USA and if you are mining, congratulations to you, now you are a broker. You are a crypto broker. Okay? The United States Democratic Congress people led by Darren Soto called for a revision for the definition of a broker in the infrastructure bill. Experts warned that the continuous new rule could see miners, validators, and wallet developers considered as brokers. So you are offering a wallet service, congratulations, you are a broker, you're going to pay the taxes. Royal Bank of Australia steps up to CBDC research but is not convinced there is a policy cut yet. Official. The Reserve Bank of Australia thinks it's plausible that crypto becomes niche once stablecoins and CBDC are in full force. This news, everybody, looks like, if you don't understand, this news sounds like good news, but it's really not for the crypto universe. The Reserve Bank of Australia has been ramping up research into central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, but it's not convinced that a strong policy case has emerged in Australia. Australia's current payment infrastructure provides consumers with ample, safe and conventional options. Okay. However, given payments innovation around the world, providing a new formal could be safeguarding the central bank, okay, consumer commission, if strong regulatory framework, highly related entity, if strong regulatory frameworks are set up, stable coins. Now this is what you must understand, everybody, this in here, this is the bad news for this market. Okay, getting rich, get a Lambo, getting prosperous, becoming a millionaire in 3 to 5 years. This is the bad news here. If strong regulatory framework are set up, stablecoins could be issued by highly rated entities. Such stablecoins would be safer and faster than existing ones. And once such stablecoin exists and banks have rolled out, meaning they approved the central bank digital currencies, everybody, the current flavor for cryptocurrency could be challenged and the use of crypto could become niche. What does this mean? This means that now this is policy, everybody, this is regulation. What does this mean? This means that European Central Bank can issue a cryptocurrency, the central bank cryptocurrency, you know, we're talking about central bank digital currencies and a stable coin. And USA can make a central bank digital currency, and they are doing this, by the way. And the Reserve Bank of Australia can emit a central bank digital currency and a stable coin. And you don't want to hear this, but they can say, okay, crypto guys, you can have your bitcoins and shitcoins and Polkadot and waves, but those are illegal for financial transactions. Okay, so if this would be the case, and this week it's most bad news, everybody. Okay, talking about regulation, talking about policy, everybody, this week is bad news most likely. This means that it's game over for the speculators. Okay, now one more time, and of course we have Forex here, you know, one more time, what does this mean? They're not going to tell you, you know, it's illegal to have Bitcoin and it's illegal to have Matic and it's illegal to have Bitcoin Cash and it's illegal to have Shiba Inu, you know, and it's illegal to have Ethereum. They're going just to tell you, you know, you can have those cryptocurrencies, you know, as assets, whatever, but you cannot buy a car. You cannot pay a coffee. You cannot buy bread and butter with those cryptocurrencies. Then it's ciao amico. It's goodbye. It's game over, everybody. Okay? And US Congressman introduced bill to modify crypto tax provision in infrastructure law. So we talked about a lot of Thursdays, it's all about taxes. Okay, it's all about taxes, keeping a head, House, Senate, blah blah blah, infrastructure law section. Know your customer information from the senders. Wednesday, we have to figure out how to balance consumer protection. It's all they want to tax everybody. Okay. India, so this is November 17, everybody. So this was yesterday. India to ban crypto as payment method. Ouch for the regulation. India to ban crypto as payment method, but regulate as asset. See everybody, this is what we are talking about here. It's all the same, it's just wrapped up in different words. India to ban crypto as payment, not as an asset, You can have your bitcoins and you can have your ethereums and you can have your Shiba Inu, okay? But you cannot pay. You cannot pay salaries, you cannot pay your workers, you cannot receive anything, you cannot buy butter and milk, bread and milk, everybody, okay? Everybody type in the chat, is this understandable or is this too complex, what I'm talking about? Somebody's saying, in the other streaming platform, so what are you saying? Should I sell my bitcoins? Because we have a systemic risk that, India to ban crypto's payment. I cannot give you advice, everybody, I'm not a lawyer, I'm not, what can I tell you? And this is why we are the lazy portfolio course. We are telling everybody, invest risk capital. And I've been telling you this for the last 2 months too. Oh, I'm happy, I'm making millions. This should be risk capital. Why? Because of something like this. Make sense, everybody? Now, if India is going to ban crypto as payment, nobody knows what is going to happen to the cryptos. Make sense? But if USA or Europe does, then in my humble opinion, it's an opinion, it's game over. Make sense? And where are we? Lucas is saying, oh, this is bad news because if I cannot buy anything with Bitcoin, it makes no sense to have them. Exactly. If I may, niche, ideal position, just check with Google. Sure, Miguel, sure. Sure. But niche in marketing is also something different, right? Everybody? Okay. So it's bad news. Indian central bank governor says blockchain technology can thrive. Listen to this, this is one. India to ban crypto as payment. Now remember, the governments are learning from each other. Indian central bank governor says blockchain technology can thrive without cryptocurrencies. Meaning, we don't need Bitcoin anymore. We don't need Shiba Inu. We don't need Solana. We don't need Polkadot. We don't need the cryptocurrencies because blockchain technology can thrive without. Ouch again. There are far deeper issues involved with cryptocurrencies. While the Indian government has recently softened its stance on cryptocurrencies, the blockchain technology has been there for 10 years and can grow without cryptocurrencies. Royal Bank of India, everybody, Governor Shakitakta said. Bad news. European Central Bank. This news is again from yesterday. ECB sounds alarm over linkage between stablecoins and conventional financial markets. Sounds alarm. The central bank said exotic market segment such as crypto remains subject to speculative bouts of volatility, right? The search for higher yields amid rising inflation and falling interest rate has led investors to take greater risk, making a broad section of the market, including crypto, vulnerable to correction. The ECB acknowledged that cryptocurrencies have grown in popularity, good news, and relevance, and said that the crypto market are subject to speculative bouts of volatility. And the ECB also warned against the growing link between stablecoins, cryptocurrencies that are pegged to fiat currencies, and the traditional financial markets. Okay, the central bank has been discussing the creation of a central bank digital currency since the start. So one more time, I don't want to repeat myself, everybody, but Europe can emit their central bank digital currency, and they can talk to the India, and they're going to say, okay, you know, you can have your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, but you cannot buy bread and butter. Make sense? It's game over then. And last but not least, President Biden signs infrastructure bill into law mandating broker reporting requirements. This is November 15, today is November 18. 3 days ago, crypto was absent from every speaker's slip during the signing ceremony, and after a month of scrutiny from both sides. So it's now officially the law of the land. It's became a law, everybody. Okay, felt group of approval going forward. So criticize. So long story short, everybody, you know, what is now the law? The law is, I didn't read the law, I'm not going to, you know, I don't care also. But, you know, if you are as a company or as a physical person, if you are mining bitcoins, you know, you are a broker. You know, not familiar with the term. What term, Miguel? Okay, everybody, so any questions? Do you want to check any cryptocurrencies? Right? We have Bitcoin, we have ADA, Link, Matic. Everybody, do you want to check any cryptocurrencies? And Paul, are you here, Paul? Paul and Shiba Inu. Everybody, you know, see what's happening. Everybody, this was from the previous. My friend Paul, everybody, you know, don't get discouraged. We are all the same. What's the difference between us? We've been there and we've done this. Make sense? We, the old guys, we've been there and we've done the stupid things. Okay? So when crypto markets come along, we are telling everybody, don't trade the crypto market. And most of people don't like to hear this, right? Okay? I'm the part of a small group of the old guys, everybody, who is telling everybody not to trade the crypto market, not to gamble the crypto market, invest for the long run. Okay? So Shiba Inu, if you invest in the long run, should be okay. Otherwise, okay, everybody. Now, here is the question. Is now the right time to buy Bitcoin? What do you think? And I need to get out. Let's use Forex, right? Let's talk about the most popular asset. This is the monthly chart. Everybody, is now the right time to buy Bitcoin? What would you say? Do you have any other currency? Do you have any other cryptos that you want to check? Yeah, don't be shy, everybody. You know, you can trade. You know, I'm not your father, right? But I'm telling my friends and family, don't trade cryptos, right? And don't try to time cryptos. So Bitcoin's it's right now at 59. If you want to double your investment, it must come to 1,200. I'm sorry I said my English. So $120,000. It's sitting around $60,000. In order to double Bitcoin, you know, it must come to $120,000. So is Bitcoin a buy right now? And again, right, is Bitcoin a buy, right? So trader equals to question mark gambler equals to question mark. Let's have fun, everybody, right? And investor question mark. Let's have fun, everybody. Is Bitcoin a buy? You are a trader. Is Bitcoin a buy right now? Let's make a poll. There is no right or wrong, you know. Let's have fun. Miguel, Lucas, and MHB, would you buy Bitcoin right now? You are a trader. You are a trader, everybody. Would you buy in Bitcoin right now? Right now. Remember, your objective is that Bitcoin goes from 59,000 to 120. Right? I think it depends on the regulations now. No, you are a trader. Come on. You are a trader. You can trade Bitcoin. Lucas, regulation, it's the news that we just saw. It's in progress. You know, nothing is set in stone yet. Okay? In the USA, yes, the miners, they need to report, you know, and they have no idea how to report. So it's everything, it's still building. Make sense? But you are not mining Bitcoins. You are a trader. You are maybe on TradingView. You are maybe on the Forex platform. Okay? Would you buy Bitcoin right now? No. What about you, MHB? What about you, Miguel? Would you buy Bitcoin right now as a trader? This is not a class, everybody, right? It's Crypto Thursday. We have the Thursday hat. We are having fun. We are drinking coffee with FXPassion. This is a friendly conversation. Okay? And we can have a technical conversation. We can have a friendly technical conversation. And we can also have a friendly, you know, fundamental conversation, right? You can say, okay, Passion, I don't believe Bitcoins are going to be banned as a payment method. We can have this kind of conversation. There is no right or wrong. Okay, everybody? This is not a class and I'm not your teacher here. Okay? I'm just telling you that in my opinion, the crypto market is going to produce the next millionaires, billionaires, the Lambo guys. Okay? If, of course, but this is why in my opinion, everybody, how regulation goes, we are going to have the opportunity for the next 3 to 5 years. In my opinion, you need to take action now, because in 5 years, something, you know, the governments are going to decide or yes, or maybe they're going to decide no. So we have time until then. Miguel, if it drops further, so do you want to short the Bitcoin trader? Okay, it's Bitcoin a buy. No, okay, so it's Bitcoin a sell. So traders and gamblers, right? Text, you know, traders and gamblers, you know, is Bitcoin a sell? Do you want to short the market? Traders, you can make money when the market is going up. Traders, you can make money when the market is going down. Miguel, my friend, do you want to short? Let's look at the daily chart, right? Let's look at the daily chart, and we have double bottom. They are calling also the death cross of the Bitcoin, whatever might be the case, right? Some of the Bitcoin traders, professional one, are going to draw the Fibonacci on the Bitcoin, right? And we are going to predict the future. Remember, everybody, this is not a class. We are having fun. We are joking around, you know. And now, you know, Bitcoin is going to hit the daily Fibonacci, and we are going to draw another Fibonacci, and we are going to short Bitcoin until the uptrend line, and this uptrend line corresponds to past support. What do you think, traders? Traders and gamblers, it's Bitcoin a sell, so should we short Bitcoin? What do you say? And there is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. So this is the daily chart, going back to the monthly chart. Okay, we are here. Somebody's typing in the other streaming platform, Passion, what would you do in your portfolio? Ah, you are smart with the questions, right? You are smart. But unfortunately, I cannot give you suggestions here, okay? Because the webinars are not investment or trading advice, everybody. The webinars are for educational purposes only. Don't invest or trade that money that you cannot afford to lose. And crypto assets carry a high degree of risk and are not suitable for all investors and traders. Okay? But you're welcome, everybody, to join the FXPassion Lazy Crypto Portfolio course. Okay? It's an easy way, no-brainer, easy to understand, easy to do, easy to obey, and you are going to have those results. Okay? And believe me, you know, now of course this is speculation, but if history is going to repeat itself, this portfolio, February, March, is going to be between 10 and 15,000. And you are going to have the recording, because this recording, this Crypto Thursday, goes online on YouTube. And I'm going to tell everybody, you know, maybe I'm wrong, right? Fair enough, you know. How do you know? I don't know. Fair enough. Fair enough, maybe I'm wrong. But this is going to be a recording, and I'm going to tell everybody, go back and check Crypto Thursday with FXPassion, 18th of November, what we talked about. Make sense? And some of you are going to cry. Oh my gosh. Nobody wants to sell. Okay, so let's go on the monthly chart. Gamblers, it's Bitcoin a buy. If you're a gambler, are you going to buy Bitcoin right now? Gamblers, are you going to buy Bitcoin right now? You could be a gambler, you know. Gambler, everybody, it's not, don't get me wrong, it's not in a negative sense. Make sense? Gamblers are people who love to have fun, right? When I go to Las Vegas, Nevada, USA, you know, and we go to the slot machines, and we play poker, and we gamble, right? And we are having fun. We are not there to make money. I mean, if we make money, we are happy, but it risks money, it risks capital, we can burn it, because we are there to have fun, right? But, you know, gamblers, do you want to buy Bitcoin right now? As a trader, I don't know, because that is a bottom at the consolidation. Where did you see consolidation? Where did you see consolidation? Oh, so you want to buy it, right? Very good. So Lucas is saying, you know, remember this is not a class, everybody. We are not teaching anything. We are having fun, you know. So Lucas is saying, and as a trader, Lucas is predicting that this is going to happen, right? For our crown has confirmed. Wow, congratulations, Miguel. Let's see. Let's see a crown. Let's see a crown, everybody, and left tip, center tip, and right tip. Right, very good, excellent. So do you want to short the market, Miguel? Yes, there is a crown. Do you want to short the market? Everybody? Nothing wrong. You can make money as a trader. Now remember, this is not a class. I'm not teaching you anything here. I'm joking around because I'm telling everybody don't trade cryptocurrencies. And you are going to see, everybody, you know, until the market was up. I was looking this more. Do you want to hear an interesting story? How we as humans operate, everybody. Let me get rid of this. Whoops, not this one. Not this one, not this one, this one, not this one, not this one. Okay, so I was checking the last 2 weeks. Okay, and the last 2 weeks, where is the weekly chart? The last 2 weeks, talking about the students, talking about the participants in the market who are learning and watching, you know, it was, and you can check until the market it's up, you know, the Dukascopy Crypto Thursday and the other shows online, you know, they are full of people, make sense? They have their average numbers, right? But this week, now that the market is kind of retracing, somebody would say, oh, the market is crashing, oh my gosh, what is happening? You know, the audience drops. You know, the audience drops somewhere from 60 to 80%. Isn't this curious? And oh my gosh, I was never thinking like this. And when you see something like this, everybody, what do you think? Most of people out there, in your country, in your neighborhood too, it doesn't matter, Brazil, Spain, Alaska, Canada, USA, Europe, Turkey, Japan, Russia, you know, most of people involved in the cryptos, are they traders? Are they gamblers without knowing this, you know, we are not judging anybody, we are all the same, or are they investors? Those guys, those boys and girls who are in the sessions, not just Dukascopy, I'm talking in general. You know, you have thousands and thousands crypto YouTube channels, everybody, you know, and all of the channels have the same result. All of them. Okay, yes sir, exactly, most of them, you know, when there is a bear coming, you know, like the market is falling, the market is retracing, the market is crashing, you know, the audience drops from 60 to 80%. Now, what do you think? All around the world, most of people, we are not judging anybody. Let's be clear, everybody. We are not judging. Oh, you are the man. No, it's not about this. But without knowing, you know, I have a friend. You know, I am Fulano, and I have a friend Gianpaolo, and Gianpaolo is trading bitcoins, and he is mining bitcoins, and he has a Lambo. So I'm going to learn from Gianpaolo, and I'm going to watch shaky trades on YouTube, or the crypto mega JP Morgan Chase robot crypto guy, whatever might be the case, you know, and I'm going to get involved, I'm going to buy the cryptos, you know, and sure enough, today 80% of people, you know, what does this tells you? Passion, how do you know? It's true, I don't know for sure because I'm not a psychologist, but from the other markets, this is suggesting something to me. And Miguel, Lucas and MHB, you know, what do you think? What do you think? There is no right or wrong, everybody. We are not judging anybody. Make sense? As we talked last week, everybody, don't be afraid, right? You know, we're not talking about gambler in a negative sense. Gamblers just want to have fun, right? Now, if you are a gambler and you acknowledge this, meaning you have your risk capital and you say, okay, I'm going to take my 100 euros, my 100 yen, my $100, my 100 reais, and I'm going to throw it, and let's see, you know, on the 5-minute chart, I'm going to buy Bitcoin right now. Let's see what is going to happen. Lucas says, gamblers, the people don't have consistent in your beliefs. Exactly. Exactly. So, again, one more time, everybody, you know, somebody is going to give me a thumb down. Let's be clear, we are not judging anybody. Okay? So, traders like my cousin, who is 23 and is buying and selling cryptocurrencies without any kind of knowledge whatsoever, you know, and he thinks he has knowledge, right? Because he learned how to open an account at Binance, he learned how to open an account at Kraken, you know, and he learned about how to deposit some money and how to withdraw some money, you know. It's not this kind of knowledge that we are talking about. It's the Miguel and Lucas, you know from the Forex course 101 what is the trader's knowledge. Those guys have no clue, you know, and some of them, you know, hate that we talk about like this, you know. Why? Because they got lucky, you know, and they don't accept that they got lucky, where nobody has a clue why Bitcoin and Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, you know, are moving up or down. Apart from supply and demand, but otherwise, let the market to drop to the 52 support, then enter long ideally. Wow, great entry. Great entry, very good. Great entry. Miguel sees support at 52, right? 52 something, 52, you know, this is one support, yes sir, this is another support, okay, and we are at support too by right now, right? And lastly, everybody, what is Bitcoin a buy? Talking about the investor. Talking about the investor, is Bitcoin a buy right now? Think about, you know, position yourself as a trader, position yourself as a gambler, and position yourself as a long-term investor. Is Bitcoin right now a buy? As a long-term investor. Okay? And everybody, somebody's going to say, well, there is no right or wrong, you know, because we have different methods, different portfolio management rules, you know. Lucas says yes. Lucas, very good, but the market is dropping right now. Why would you invest right now? Listen to this, everybody. This is maybe the most valuable thing from today. Lucas wants to invest, and he bought Bitcoin right now, and I'm telling Lucas, why don't you wait for the Bitcoin to reach the bottom? What is the difference between me and Lucas? There is no right or wrong. Nobody has a clue. But we have a different mentality. This is maybe the most valuable thing today that we are talking about. It's a Crypto Thursday. We have the the Thursday hat, we are drinking coffee, this is a friendly conversation. Lucas just invested in Bitcoin, and I'm telling Lucas, how stupid you are. We are friends, we can be honest. Me and Lucas, you are stupid, you know, why don't you wait the market to bottom? MHB, I want to buy Bitcoin at level, please come. You know, I hope to, but you know, what if it doesn't fall, right? Make sense, everybody? But what is the difference from somebody that invests right now and the market is dropping, oh my god, and me, I'm telling Lucas, you are stupid, you know, because the market is falling down. What is the difference in mentality? Is Lucas stupid, or I don't get him because me and Lucas are thinking differently and there is no right or wrong? Because I'm not trying timing the market. Yes, sir. So what makes me? I want to try to time the market. What is this making me? Great job, Lucas. Congratulations to you. What is this making me? Am I an investor? So it's a great question, and it's a fair question, okay? Somebody's typing not on YouTube but on the other streaming platform, you know, Passion, don't investors also time the market? Answer, the long-term investors, no, they don't want to, they don't care about timing. So don't the long-term investors who want to buy at the cheaper price? No, they don't care. I mean, if it happens, they're all about, but just because the price is moving up and down, they are not going to try to time the market. Make sense? The short-term investors, it's a different story, but the long-term investors, which we are, by the way, the lazy portfolio, it's for the next 3 to 5 years. Okay, great question, fair question. Congratulations to the student. Okay, so Lucas, what is this making me? You are not trying to time the market. I am. What am I? Am I a trader? Am I a gambler? Or am I an investor? No, you cannot be all of them, everybody. No, it's just one. You cannot be a trader and a gambler, and then it doesn't work like this. You know, I mean, you're right, you can, you know, but it's the same story, you know. Oh, I am a scalper, I'm a day trader, and I'm a swing trader. It doesn't work, right? And Miguel and Lucas and MHB, they know this, right, everybody? Oh, today I'm a scalper, I'm going to scalp the market. Oh, tomorrow I feel like day trading, I'm going to day trade. You can do this, but it doesn't work. You know? Somebody's saying, oh, it works. Show me the last 6 months of your results, and then we are going to have a conversation that it works. Okay, everybody? If you say it's working, I have the data that it's not. And maybe I'm wrong, right? I always accept, you know, I don't know everything and everybody. Maybe I'm wrong. If you have the data for the last 6 months that you were one day day trading, the second day you were scalping, and the next day you were swing trading, and you were profitable, then I'm going to officially and online tell, I'm sorry, I was wrong. Gambler, because we don't have concepts about trader of this market. Well, I could be a gambler or I could be a trader too, you know. So I can, what are traders doing, and I'm telling them not to do. Not the real one, what are the wannabe traders doing, everybody? The wannabe traders put a Fibonacci on the swing. And they're telling, you know, oh, this is just a correction. This is just a correction. This market is going to come to the 1618. Make sense, everybody? And again, you know, before we finish today, somebody's asking, but doesn't Fibonacci work? Fibonacci works, but the crypto market, it's a new market. So we don't have any, listen to this, you must understand this. We as traders, we don't have any statistical data to prove that Fibonacci works in the crypto market. Don't mix the crypto. Everybody, you must understand, I'm telling everybody, I'm sick and tired, you know, of listening and keep repeating. Never forget, the crypto market, it's a completely new market. The Forex market is around for 80 years. Stock market, I don't even know, 300, 400 years, whatever might be the case. You know, crypto market, it's what, 3 years, 4 years? It's completely new. So I'm telling you, you know, passion, some of you are asking, you know, every single session, oh, does the Fibonacci work? Does the Ichimoku work? We don't know. MHB, I make a program to invest $50 every month in crypto and I will do it in 2026 whole. It will pay like we buy a life insurance and double the money which invest in the time period. Yes, MHB, but you need to know where you are investing in, because not everybody, you know, it's all good, right? But you need to learn. And don't get me wrong, this is not a sales pitch, okay? But you need to learn where are you going to put your $50 per month. Okay? Shiba Inu, just an example. Okay, let's say that you put $50 each month in Shiba Inu, okay, for the next 4 years. You know, you need to learn. You need to learn. What if for the next 5 years Shiba Inu gets down to here? You know, then what? You are going to lose your money. What? Then what? Everybody? And those are the concepts, everybody. Those concepts are from all the aspects of life, not just trading. If it would be that simple, everybody, if it would be that simple, everybody would be a millionaire by now. Make sense? If this portfolio would be that simple, you know, everybody would be a millionaire. If buying Shiba Inu, if buying Shiba Inu, you know, down here was 0.0000755 and explode to 8,000, you know, if this would be that easy, your gardener would have a Lambo. Make sense? And nobody wants to hear this. It's not that you need to start thinking, everybody, you know, use your brain. Don't fall for the easy buck. Make sense? I would love to, me too, I would love to be that much, I would love not to work. But it's not that easy. You know? Okay, everybody, after this beautiful sermon, as always, Crypto Thursday with FXPassion. Have a great weekend, everybody. Okay, don't trade cryptos, please. Don't try to time cryptos. Okay, we are going to have the last crypto portfolio 28 is going to be Sunday. Okay, if you want to take advantage of the Black Friday promotion, you have a 50% discount, and that's it, everybody.